Unlocking the secrets of streaming dashboards. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that's become quite a buzzword in the digital world: streaming dashboards. Whether you're a content creator, a gamer, or just love watching live streams, understanding what a streaming dashboard is and how it works can enhance your digital experience. So, let's get started and unlock the secrets of streaming dashboards together. A streaming dashboard is essentially your control room for live streaming. It's a digital interface that allows streamers to manage and monitor their live broadcasts in real time. Think of it as the command center where you can control every aspect of your live stream, from starting and stopping the stream to interacting with your audience. It's where all the magic happens behind the scenes to ensure viewers have the best experience possible. Streaming dashboards are packed with features designed to make live streaming as seamless and interactive as possible. Here are some of the key features you'll find in most streaming dashboards. Live preview. This allows you to see exactly what your viewers will see before you go live. Chat integration. Engage with your audience in real time by reading and responding to their comments. Stream health monitoring. Keep an eye on the technical aspects of your stream, such as internet speed and stream stability. Viewer analytics. Understand who's watching your stream with insights into viewer counts, demographics, and engagement metrics. Media management. Easily manage and switch between different media sources, such as cameras, screen shares, and graphics. Streaming dashboards are crucial for several reasons. Control and flexibility. They give streamers complete control over their live broadcasts, allowing for a professional and polished presentation. Audience engagement. Dashboards make it easier to interact with viewers in real time, building a stronger connection with the audience. Technical oversight. They provide vital information on the technical health of your stream, helping you troubleshoot issues on the fly. Content improvement. By analyzing viewer analytics, streamers can refine their content to better suit their audience's preferences. We hope this video has shed some light on the importance and functionality of streaming dashboards. Whether you're just starting out or looking to improve your live streaming setup, understanding how to effectively use your streaming dashboard can significantly enhance both your and your viewers' experience. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on mastering the English language and navigating the digital world. See you in the next video.